Let me ask you something. If you're earning money, why does it still feel like you're stuck? You're not lazy. You're not incapable. And yet, your bank account never seems to move forward. There's a reason for that. And it's not what you think. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a behavior problem. Money doesn't disappear by accident. It leaks through patterns, invisible habits, emotional decisions, lack of structure. And over time, those patterns quietly keep you broke. Every time you earn more, your lifestyle grows with it. Better phone, better car, better apartment. But your investments, they stay the same. Income went up, wealth didn't. If you don't have a system, you're relying on motivation, and motivation fades. Wealth is not built on feelings. It's built on structure, automatic transfers, clear budgets, fixed investing rules. Stress triggers spending, boredom triggers spending, comparison triggers spending, and in the moment, it feels justified. But emotions are expensive advisors. And I'll start investing when I feel ready. That sentence has cost people years. You don't feel ready. You become ready by starting. Time matters more than perfection. No one teaches this clearly. School doesn't. Friends don't. Social media confuses it, so people guess. And guessing with money is expensive. If you don't know where you're going financially, every paycheck becomes temporary relief, not progress. Vision turns income into direction. You compare your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Cars, trips, luxury, but wealth is usually invisible. Credit cards make spending painless. But painless spending creates painful consequences. High-interest debt kills momentum, quietly. Subscriptions, impulse buys, convenience spending, they don't look dangerous, but they compound, just like investments do. You deserve comfort, but you don't deserve financial sabotage. Rewarding yourself constantly prevents rewarding your future. Without savings, one unexpected expense resets everything, and suddenly you're starting over again. People think wealth requires complexity. It doesn't. Budget, invest, repeat. Simple systems win. Consistency is boring, but inconsistency is expensive. Missing months, skipping contributions, breaking routines. That's what delays growth. Everything changed when I stopped blaming income and started examining behavior. Money reflects habits, not intentions. Start small. Automate saving. Invest consistently. Track spending. Remove emotional decisions. You don't need dramatic change. You need discipline. If you feel stuck financially, it's not because you're incapable. It's because no one showed you the system, and now you see it. This isn't about earning more. It's about keeping and growing what you earn. Change the pattern, change the outcome. If this made you think differently about money, subscribe. We're building financial intelligence, step by step.